Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Pluto TV's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. The official page of Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Pluto TV's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. You can also log into your Pluto TV's account using your Google account as well. This is how you can sign into your Pluto TV's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.